We have an amazing custom Lombard Weathervane that Rueby made. He used a water jet cutter, and we're hoping to put this on the machinery hall roof. Made from stainless steel. Mounting this using 8 3/8" diameter bolts. He's leveling them out using cedar shingles. Pretty close to putting it together.
Yeah. So around 11 o'clock. So I did a few months ago. I did a video simulation using AutoCAD InfraWorks, and the last scene was a zoom into the machinery hall, and I added a little Lombard Weathervane to it. And then Rueby contacted me, and I sent the files off to him, and he had it water jetted, and there it is. The original outline is actually from Bill Lynch's original drawings.
Terry is our visionary, and this is a possible new pavilion for storing our Lombard sleds. Even more exciting, here's a proposed Lombard Road. This is a bird's eye view of the new Weathervane in our Lombard.
Go this way.
It's moving with the wind. It's facing north.
Yeah.